There are cars that made history, but not for success. Some became famous for innovation, others for failure. Today, we look at the top 10 worst cars ever made and the real reasons why they failed. 10. Fiat Multipla. When Fiat designed this car, the goal was simple: maximum space in a compact body. But the result shocked everyone. The strange double headlights, the unusual shape, and awkward proportions made it one of the most controversial designs ever. Technically, it was practical. But in the real world, design matters. And buyers rejected it. 9. Pontiac Aztek. Pontiac wanted to build the future SUV. It was designed for adventure, camping, and family use. But the final design was chaotic. Even though it had useful features, the appearance destroyed its reputation instantly. It became known as one of the ugliest cars ever made. 8. Smart 42. The idea was brilliant, a tiny car for crowded cities. And in urban areas, it worked well. But outside the city, problems started to appear. The gearbox was slow, highway stability was weak, and drivers often felt unsafe at higher speeds. A great concept, limited execution. 7. Renault Aventime. Renault tried something bold, a mix between a luxury coupe and an MPV. But the market didn't understand it. It was too strange for families and too large for a coupe. The concept was ahead of its time, but too risky for buyers. 6. Chrysler PT Cruiser. At first, it looked exciting. Retro design inspired attention, especially in the early 2000s. But problems came quickly. Cheap interior materials, weak engines, and average reliability damaged its long-term reputation. What started as hype turned into disappointment. 5. BMW 7 Series E65. BMW tried to push innovation forward. This generation introduced the iDrive system, but the interface was confusing, and many drivers hated it at first. On top of that, the exterior design was heavily criticized. Technologically advanced, but emotionally rejected. 4. Citroën C3 Plurial. The idea was clever. A small car that could transform into a convertible. But the roof system was complicated and fragile. Leaks became common, and repairs were expensive. A creative concept, with poor execution. 3. Yugo GV. One of the cheapest cars ever sold in the US. But low price came with low quality. Poor reliability, weak performance, and constant mechanical issues damaged its reputation completely. It quickly became a symbol of bad engineering. 2. DeLorean DMC-12. A futuristic design with stainless steel body and iconic gull-wing doors. But under the surface, performance was disappointing. The engine was underpowered, and production problems slowed everything down. It only became legendary because of Back to the Future. 1. Reliant Robin. A three-wheeled car from the UK. The idea was simplicity and economy, but stability was a major issue. The car could easily tip over in corners, making it unsafe for many drivers. It became famous, but mostly as a joke.